In this video, we will see the mechanism of group 1 hormones, taking steroid hormones as an example. Hormones, they are the chemical messengers secreted by endocrine glands. So they can be classified based on their chemical nature as proteinopeptides, steroid hormones, derivatives of amino acids, or they can be classified based on their solubility properties as lipophilic and hydrophilic hormones. The major classification is based on the mechanism of action and presence of the receptors as group 1 and group 2 hormones. So group 1 hormones, they have intracellular receptors. So hormones which act through this belong to group 1 are steroid hormones, thyroid hormones, retinoids and vitamin D. Group 2 hormones, they have plasma membrane receptors and they require second messengers like cyclic AMP, cyclic GMP, calcium or IP3 and kinase cascade. Let us see the mechanism of group 1 hormones considering steroid hormones as an example. So there are group 1 hormones and for example we have steroid hormones estrogen, progesterone, androgens, cortisol. So they are lipophilic, hence they can cross the plasma membrane easily. And the intracellular receptors, the site can be cytoplasmic or nuclear. So this is a diagram which will depict the mechanism of action of steroid hormones. So these are the hormones. So these are the receptors. The receptor can be intracellular, that is cytoplasmic, or it can be nuclear receptors. And this is the site, specific site on DNA where hormone receptor complex bind, and this site we call it as hormone responsive elements. So once the hormone enters the cell, it binds to the receptor and forms hormone receptor complex. So this hormone receptor complex enters the nucleus and bites on the specific site, that is hormone responsive elements. These hormone responsive elements are near to the promoter region. So once this HR complex binds at hormone responsive elements, there is transcription which releases mRNA, and this mRNA can be translated to a specific proteins and they get the biochemical response. Sometimes binding of HR complex and HRE can stop the transcription also or inactivate it. So this is how steroid hormones have their mechanism of action. Thank you.